Hey everyone, this is the Dual Sandwich Maker by Hamilton Beach. It's a pretty simple product here. It just opens up and we've got our little levers here. They open and close, and this opens to combine the sandwich together. First thing you do is you plug it in and it'll start to preheat, and that just takes a few minutes, and once it's done, the green light will turn on. Okay, so now it's preheated, so we're just gonna open it up and I'll show you how easy this is. This just flips up and you put the tops up. Put the bottom of your sandwich in first. And I've got this here square cheese. It doesn't quite fit on the sandwich, so I'm just gonna break off the pieces so that it fits in here. So once your cheese is in, you put your meat in, and I've got here some lovely bacon. And you can use sausage, you can use whatever you want, but then the top close, and you put your egg in. And with the egg, you wanna break it up a little bit so that the sandwich maker can close. It'll give you a nice, well cooked through sandwich. So just stick those in, close the lid, and you set a timer on here for 5 minutes. Give that a minute to cook. Okay, so it's all finished and it'll just start beeping. So once that's done, you can push these buttons to make it stop. So you just open it up and you flip these out. Kind of do this, and there you go. Throw it on a plate and you've got a really nice breakfast sandwich.